Hello again, Waste Warriors. Welcome to my new video for my blog No Wasting Taste. And as I said in the last video, I'm gonna show you a way to cook our banana peels to avoid its waste. So I already have here the ingredients prepared: honey, local honey, oil, sea salt and cinnamon. And we just need to cover our banana peels with our local honey, and we add our cinnamon, and just a bit of sea salt. Banana peels are very good for your health and very nutritional. I left some information about it in the description below. Feel free to use this recipe in any occasion you would prefer, as the lunch, breakfast, snack. You can add some ice cream to it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll be posting some more tips and easy ways to become a waste warrior. So bye bye and thank you.